For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Former Vice President Joe Biden laid out his most comprehensive detailed case to date against President Donald Trump on Tuesday, saying the president has waved the white flag and left the field of battle against the resurgent COVID-19 pandemic. US currently has the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the globe. US President Donald Trump's niece Mary Trump filed an immediate appeal after the judge in New York issued a preliminary injunction to stop her publishing a book about the family. The president's brother, Robert Trump, is attempting to stop the publication of the book, which is due for publication on the 28th of July. US President Donald Trump said that he was growing more and more angry at China over the spread of COVID-19 as American health officials warned they were not in total control of the pandemic. The global pandemic, which Trump blames on Beijing, has intensified already strong tensions between the two countries over an ongoing trade war. After receiving a lot of flack from his opponents and fellow Republicans, the White House dropped a bombshell stating that the US President Donald Trump was briefed and aware of the Russian bounties. According to reports, the president had received a written briefing about the bounties at the end of February, undercutting his assertion that he was not told of the threat. Donald Trump's latest executive order bars many people on several types of visas, including H-1Bs, from entering the US until 2021. Trump's executive order is the latest step in the tightening of US immigration policy. Thousands of workers have been stranded and stuck in India after the order was passed a few weeks back. The United States could see 1 lakh new coronavirus cases daily if Americans do not start following public health recommendations, top US infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci has warned. Fauci is also part of the virus task force at the White House. The likelihood of the UK experiencing deadly 40 degrees Celsius temperatures for the first time is rapidly accelerating due to the climate crisis scientists have found. The country has been experiencing a heat wave for the past few weeks as summer begins to set in. The highest temperature recorded in the UK is 38.7 degrees Celsius set in Cambridge in July 2019, while the summer of 2018 was the joint hottest on record. The new analysis found an increased risk of even higher temperatures. Boris Johnson has said now is the time to be ambitious about the UK's future as he set out a post-COVID-19 recovery plan. The UK Prime Minister vowed to use this moment to fix long-standing economic problems and promised a £5 billion New Deal to build homes and infrastructure. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's recent remarks that efforts are being made to oust him after his government redrew Nepal's political map has backfired, with top leaders of the ruling Nepal Communist Party demanding his resignation as soon as the powerful standing committee meeting of the ruling party started at the PM's official residence.